there's no longer a cop up here, I don't think. I think he was going somewhere. He knows. God, the one thing I don't miss is playing sports in this heat. Yeah. Oh, another bike! Is that a BMW? I don't think it's BMW. I think it's an old Fireblade. Might want to get over if you want to go to the gas station. I think all of them have it. I believe so. Nope. They might have changed it. They might have not like gotten the. No, so I would just get this. It doesn't matter. Yeah. I just don't think they got the non-oxygenated whatever. We did, but there's probably a reason it's a sticker that says non-oxygenated, because there's probably two different types they can get. Probably not right now, unless that one has it. Look. This one has it. Yeah, it's probably a reason it's a sticker. This side has it, the other side does not. Yeah. Nope. So it's either we go straight or we turn. Turn we are. Oh. Why didn't we go to the mainstream Bouquet? Bouquet. Whatever. I don't know. It looks like there's a bouquet shop over there. There's a bouquet shop, I think, back there. There's like mainstream Bouquet. Nope. No, it's not where we went. It's close, but not quite in the same building. Oh my god, it's too hot to sit at roundabouts. Who's getting pulled over now? Oh. It's like, what the fuck? Look at that woman. She's cool. She gave you the head nod. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? I had to open my vents. Oh, I forgot I have a forehead vent. Oh, I didn't see that guy. I didn't get to wave. That just doesn't look like a Ford dealership. I would never... I was thinking Lincoln, but that one works too. What in the fuck is going on? We can. Yeah, we can. I don't know what's happening. Like, it's a second fire truck. It's a second sheriff. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, he winked at us. He winked at us. Yeah. I didn't wave. I didn't know you waved. I seen your hand move. I wasn't sure if you waved or not. I have no idea. I think it went over by... I think it went to Hugo direction. I think it went Hugo direction. But I'm not sure. Oh, this car's going. Oh, are we gonna go chase it? That guy? That's funny. Oh, we have a green light. That guy's literally just going for a cruise. What? There's a cat stuck in a tree. There's definitely a cat in a tree. Why are they all staring at that tree? I told you there's a cat stuck in the tree. Yeah, I have no idea. They were all staring at a tree though. It's a bit windy out here, which is expected because there's more land. It's more opening. Also, we're by the lake. Forgot that. I don't remember that lake being there. What the f? It's either flooded or, I don't know. It's not that bad. It's quite nice, I would say. corners are sandy or not. It's 5 a.m. in our truck right now. Porsche. Yeah, maybe it's just the golfers smoking some mad dope. Here's the Rich Club with White Bear. Great, hopefully she doesn't come down to a stop. I think that guy's tired of his legs being crunched up. I wish I could do that. Just I think my hips were just not like that. Yeah, I seen another one earlier, but that one had a passenger. I don't remember where we were, but I seen one. I don't really care for lane splitting. I could lane split. It's actually illegal to lane split, but okay to lane filter.